Government contractors often need to meet strict security standards for data encryption. DynamoDB now supports FIPS 140-3 compliant endpoints to address this requirement. You can use FIPS 140-3 interface endpoints with DynamoDB and public endpoints with DynamoDB streams. This allows you to encrypt sensitive data in supported AWS regions, including US, Canada, and GovCloud. By implementing these endpoints, you can meet federal government security requirements for cryptographic modules, enabling secure use of DynamoDB for regulated workloads. Organizations handling high-volume, dynamic datasets often struggle with keeping materialized views up to date without complex ETL processes or manual refreshes. Amazon Redshift now supports automatically and incrementally refreshable materialized views for zero ETL integrations. You can eliminate full refreshes of materialized views, which previously required re-executing select statements and rewriting all data. This enables more efficient data updates and faster query responses. The feature allows you to access near real-time insights as it automatically keeps materialized views current with underlying data changes. By implementing this solution, you can significantly reduce your operational workload, especially when dealing with large, frequently changing datasets. Previously, AWS Cloud Map users had to store service-level information at the instance level or in static config files, leading to duplication and management challenges. The new service-level attributes feature solves this by allowing you to store and access information directly at the service level. You can now store information at the service level, making it easier to manage and update. Custom names can be used to discover resource locations, simplifying resource discovery. This feature simplifies service-level information management by reducing duplication and centralizing data. Finally, it enables more complex routing and service coordination scenarios, improving application flexibility and performance. AWS Resource Explorer previously had limited coverage of AWS resources, making it challenging to search and discover resources across different services. This update addresses that by adding support for 59 new resource types across multiple AWS services. You can now search for resources from Amazon EKS, Kyndra, IAM Access Analyzer, and SageMaker, among others. This expansion allows you to explore a wider range of AWS resources in one place, improving your ability to manage and monitor your AWS infrastructure. The update covers various resource types from different services, enhancing the overall utility of AWS Resource Explorer for more comprehensive resource management. EC2 instances previously had static bandwidth specifications, limiting flexibility for different workloads. The new Instance Bandwidth Configurations (IBC) feature solves this by allowing you to adjust VPC and EBS service bandwidth on EC2 instances. You can now increase bandwidth for VPC or EBS by up to 25%, with a corresponding reduction in the other service. This enables you to optimize bandwidth allocation for specific workloads like data replication, S3 data transfer, or EBS backups. IBC is available on 8th generation Graviton-based instances, C8G, M8G, R8G, X8G, in all commercial regions at no extra cost. While it doesn't increase burst bandwidth, packets per second, or IOPS, IBC provides greater control over your EC2 instance resources to better match your application requirements. AppStream 2.0 users previously had to manually adjust their settings each session, leading to inconsistent experiences. The new feature allows you to save client preferences across sessions when streaming through a web browser or Windows client. You can customize and save settings for audio, video, regional options, and streaming mode. These preferences are automatically applied when you reconnect using the same client. The feature is available in AppStream 2.0 Windows Client version January 1, 1403 and later, as well as in supported web browsers, providing a more consistent and efficient user experience.